Hello there, and welcome back to another exciting video. If you stick with me for the next 10 minutes or so, I'll not only show you how to do it, but I'll also show you how to grow it and start making even more money. You don't need a website, you don't need a credit card, and you can do it from anywhere in the globe. And this is going to be one of the most interesting videos you've ever seen on how to make money on the internet. So without further ado, let's get started. In this video, I will show you how to make money online by typing names. This is free and available worldwide. It also has multiple payment methods such as PayPal, Payoneer, Skrill, and more. You can start making money right now with this free website that I'm about to explain to you. And you can put it up on autopilot to make more money. You'll also discover how to increase your productivity and potentially earn more money. Therefore, make sure to watch the video until the end. But first, don't forget to like this video and let me know in the comment section if you enjoy learning new money making strategies so that I may continue to share new ways to make money online. As you can see, we may use the calculator on this website to determine how much money you can make from this brand new opportunity. Take a look at this rate per word, which shows how much money you may make per word typed. In this situation, 5 pennies in US dollars. This typing name project here is page number 1. This typing name project right here is page number 2. And this typing name project right here is page number 3. And you might get paid for typing names on each of these pages. Now, let me show you this page, where you can earn $15 for writing 300 words. I find a total of 300 names as I scroll down, which means that simply typing names on this website can earn you $15 per page. This is a terrific money-making opportunity. Consider this. At $15 per page, we can receive up to 20 pages per day, implying that inputting names on this website can easily earn you $300 or $400 per day. First and foremost, I would like you to go to talentdesire.com. Earn money online from the comfort of your own home without spending a dime. And this is completely free choice. You don't need any money or investment to get started. You'll note that they offer a range of work-from-home possibilities as you scroll down, including online proofreading, freelance blogging, language translation, and online page surveys. You can do a variety of jobs, but the one feature in this video is the most common. We'll focus on online typing jobs because they're one of the simplest tasks you may do on our site and don't require any prior experience or technological knowledge. This is where you'll find the online typing job. Now, take a look at this. The compensation ranges from $13,500 to $27,000 each year. It's an incredible way for people all over the world to make money. When it comes to membership fees, you'll see that signing up is entirely free. Before or after you join, there are no hidden cards, and we never pressure you to invest. This is an entirely free worldwide opportunity. You may now see what's accessible here based on your level. Depending on your ability to level, which runs from beginner to expert, you'll be paid in varied quantities. Now, in a moment, I'll give you an additional tip that will help you earn a better rate. You can see here that you can get paid on an expert level even if you are a complete beginner. And I'll teach you the approach in a minute. And no one else will know. So right now, I'll show you the first bonus method that could help you make extra money online simply by typing names. I recommend that you go to ratatype.com. Basically, this is the homepage of this website where you can take a free typing test. And I want you to click on this yellow button right here to go to this page where you can start typing with your phone or computer. And I want you to do speed typing tests because this website will give you a certificate. You can get the certificate for free right now, and I'll show you how in this video. A typing certificate is necessary because it will enhance your income and per page earnings. Make sure you have this certificate if you want to earn $15 every page typed. This is the ultimate secret because if you have a certificate that proves you can type, you will be authorized much more quickly and have access to more high-paying jobs and opportunities. As a result, simply by typing names, you'll be able to earn earn $300 to $400 every day. So once again, it's vital that you stay tuned to find out how to get this certificate and finish your talentdesire.com application. As you can see, once you start typing on this website, they'll start counting how many words you can type per minute and how accurate you are, including whether you make any spelling or typing mistakes. Your accuracy should be between 98 and 99.99%, as you can see. The higher accuracy, the more money you'll make by passing a typing exam and receiving a certificate on this website. You can show off your typing speed and accuracy, resulting in a higher payment rate in a shorter amount of time. Using a real-life example, let me show you how to take these examinations right now and get your certificate for free in less than 5 minutes. But before we continue, don't forget to like this video, click on the subscribe button, and hit the notification bell to get notified whenever I post a new and exciting videos about earning new money-making strategies online. As you can see, they're going to display my typing speed right here as soon as I complete typing. Don't worry if your speed is slower or your accuracy is lower than 98%. You can return to radatype.com and take the typing test for free until you improve your speed or accuracy. Once you've found a result you like, scroll down to the bottom of the page and click this link to sign up for a free Radatype account. You can create a free account by entering your name, email address, and password. So click on the yellow I agree to the terms and conditions and sign up button to get started. I typed my name, email address, and password before clicking on this one, as you can see. After I sign up for a free account, I'll log into my Radatype account. On my dashboard, you can see my name and results, as well as my typing speed and accuracy. As you can see if you scroll down below, this is my certificate. Simply click on the certificate and I'll be taken to this page where it says, "Granted to Samara Young for typing in English." And they'll even show you the radatype.com signature to verify its authenticity. This certificate is actually highly beneficial to you, and if you use it, you will be paid at a much higher rate. Keep watching because I'll teach you how to sign up, register, and apply for a typing job on talentdesire.com right now so you can start getting typing drop-in assignments like this one. You can really click on this print button right here as you scroll down here. But don't worry, you can do this one on either your computer or your mobile phone. All you have to do now is save your certificate's image or PDF file. Simply select save, and as you can see, this is my actual certificate which I received for free from the Radatype website. Once you receive the certificate, we'll proceed to talentdesire.com to begin applying for this position. And I want you to scroll all the way down to the bottom of this website and click on this red button right here that says Apply Now. And you'll be taken to this page where you can start applying for your job. But please pay attention and watch this video all the way through because the registration page is actually very hidden on this website. You might get lost or miss the sign up page if you don't watch this portion. Once you've arrived to this page, scroll down to the bottom to find the application selection box. You'll be transported to this website after clicking on this red link, where you'll discover an online application form for work from home opportunities. Please scroll down and look for the red link that says fill in your details to apply and work with us. If you can't find it, please rewatch this video. Alternatively, you may bookmark or save this video to your playlist and come back to it later. You'll be filling in your personal information at the bottom of this page if you scroll all the way down. Accepting the privacy policy is the first step, after which you must enter your first and last names, email address, phone numbers, and country. You can see that they accept people from all over the world, including India, the Philippines, Nigeria, the United States, the United Kingdom, Pakistan, and other countries, by clicking on this down arrow. I'd like you to leave a comment down below telling me what country you're from so I can make more videos for your location in the future. Moving on to the following level, this section is all about your professional background and is really crucial. On this phase, the majority of people get it wrong. I want you to fill out the job title form, making sure to type the job title exactly like this one, and then choose the ideal time for you. Next, select the best way to receive your earnings by clicking on this down arrow here. You can choose from PayPal, Payoneer, wire transfer, or direct deposit. But I recommend you choosing all of it because it will provide you with more opportunities and jobs, allowing you to earn more money online. Finally, select the best way to receive your earnings by clicking on this down arrow here. You can choose from PayPal, Payoneer, wire transfer, or direct deposit. And I personally use PayPal. When you scroll down below, you can choose your present professional standing. In this case, I chose self-employed. After you fill out all of the details, click Yes. I've read and accept the following statement. And don't forget to sign. Simply type your full name here, click I'm not a robot, and then click the Submit button, and that's all there is to it. Once you've been accepted, you'll be able to start receiving typing names tasks like this. As you can see, for just 300 words on one page, you can make $15. And for the second page, you can earn another $15. And for the third page, you can earn another $15. You can earn up to $15 for each page you type, but make sure you submit your work on time to maintain receiving more and more daily jobs. And that wraps it up. That is exactly how to make money online by typing names. I hope you found this video helpful. Please give it a big thumbs up and subscribe to the channel with notifications turned on so you won't miss any part of the video. I appreciate your undivided attention and I hope to see you on the next one.